Electric Vehicle Regenerative Acceleration Innovation Presentation for International EV OEMs. Electric Vehicle Regenerative Acceleration Innovation Presentation for International EV OEMs June 8, 2019. Contents page Introduction 3 What problem does this technology address? 4 How does it work and what is the scientific revelation behind it? 6 Lenz's Law of Induction 8 Heinz Law of Induction 9 Performance Quantification 11 Why should EV OEMs care? 16 What are the key areas of application? Advantages 18 Brief history of development of EV regenerative acceleration 20 Who else has validated the findings? Concerns 27 Overview of the patent portfolio 30 Technology commercialization business plan 33 Regenx generator and RegenX motor manufacturing tech transfer 35 Proposed next steps 38 Addendum, relevant video demonstrations, tests and reports and 39 Expanded physics explanations. Introduction What is electric vehicle regenerative acceleration? Electric vehicle regenerative acceleration is a new U.S. patented EV traction motor innovation that allows electric vehicles to recharge as they drive without the deceleration effects associated with regenerative braking. The innovation accelerates the EV while recharging the vehicle's batteries in regenerative acceleration mode and is the exact opposite of regenerative braking. How does it do that? Electric vehicle regenerative acceleration introduces a load current delay into generator coil operation which reverses the electric vehicle regenerative braking paradigm. How long has it been around? The original discovery was made in 2007, the backing theory was developed at the University of Ottawa from 2007-2010.5 and the innovation has been under development since then. 3 U.S. patents have been granted and 4 more are pending. Commercially manufactured EV regenerative acceleration coils now exist which can deliver in excess of 60 amps, 1000 watts, of recharge current with vehicle acceleration per coil. What does the innovation mean for electric vehicles? Electric vehicles can now begin recharging themselves as they drive starting at 30 km/h. The more recharge current sent to the EV's batteries the more the EV is accelerated, the more the EV's range is increased and the less plug-in recharging is required. What problem does this technology address? The EV regenerative acceleration innovation now allows electric vehicles to begin recharging their own batteries during vehicle acceleration and during coasting above 30 km/h without the parasitic effects currently associated with EV regenerative braking. Many of the problems associated with EVs and EV adoption are reduced such as limited EV range and range anxiety. Plug-in recharge time. Plug-in recharge cost. Plug-in recharge infrastructure cost, establish $5.6 trillion globally. EV battery cost. EV cost due to expensive batteries. EV battery weight. Pending lithium shortages. Future energy requirements to the grid required for electric transportation. How does it work and what is the scientific revelation behind it? The EV regenerative acceleration, Regenx, innovation is a new generator coil innovation that is differentiated by conventional generator coils in that it operates with a load current delay. This load current delay reverses the EV regenerative braking paradigm and introduces EV regenerative acceleration. EV regenerative braking is a colloquial term used to describe motor action in a generator, generator armature reaction. Motor action in a generator is a counter-electromagnetic torque which is created inside the generator by the magnetic fields which are created around the generator coil when electric, load, current flows in them. Motor action in a generator is explained in a law of physics called Lenz's law and Newton's third law. For every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. The EV regenerative acceleration, Regenx generator, coil's load current delay produces a complementary electromagnetic torque and an equal and identical reaction which is explained in a new law of physics called Heinz law of induction. Lenz's law of induction. According to Faraday's law, whenever a voltage is generated in a generator coil in a closed circuit, a current is caused to flow in that circuit. The direction of the induced current has a definite relation to the variation of the magnetic field that produced it. This relation is formalized by a law of physics called Lenz's law of induction, which may be stated as follows: an induced voltage will cause a current to flow in a closed circuit in such a direction that the direction of its magnetic field energy that is created will perform negative work in opposing the change that produced it. In this case of a generator, for example, when the induced current is caused to flow through a load connected to the generator, electric energy is expended. The magnetic field energy created by the current is always in a direction so that it reacts with the main generator field and performs negative work opposing the turning action of the prime mover, which is driving the generator. Thus, the greater the electrical energy supplied to the load, the greater is the reaction, negative work performed by the magnetic field energy which is created, and in turn the greater is the mechanical energy required to be supplied to the prime mover. Mechanical input energy must be supplied to the generator at the same rate that electrical energy is being taken from the generator. Hein's law of induction. According to Faraday's law, whenever a voltage is generated in a Regenx generator coil in a closed circuit, a delayed current is caused to flow in that circuit. The direction of the induced and delayed current has a definite relation to the variation of the magnetic field that produced it. This relation is formalized by a law of physics called Hein's law of induction, which may be stated as follows: an induced voltage will cause a delayed current to flow in a closed circuit in such a direction that the direction of its magnetic field energy that is created will perform positive work in assisting the change that produced it. In this case of a generator, for example, when the induced and delayed current is caused to flow through a load connected to the generator, electrical energy is expended. The magnetic field energy that is created by the delayed current is always in a direction so that it reacts with the main generator field and performs positive work assisting the turning action of the prime mover, which is driving the generator. Thus, the greater the electric energy supplied to the load, the greater is the reaction, positive work performed by the magnetic field energy, which is created, and in turn zero mechanical energy is required to be supplied to the prime mover. Zero mechanical input energy is supplied to the generator while any magnitude of electrical energy can be taken from the generator. The Regenx generator's load current delay can be between 45 and 90 degrees. The load used is purely resistive with a power factor of 1 and the voltage and current are in phase in both coils. Performance quantification. Performance quantification: 50 kW vehicle speed interaction, typical regenerative braking and regenerative acceleration interaction on vehicle speed with 50 kW of generator output. During regenerative braking, the EV's generator contributes to vehicle deceleration while the regen power output eventually drops to 0 watts. During regenerative acceleration, the EV's generator contributes to vehicle acceleration while the regen power stays constant throughout. Performance quantification: 90 kW vehicle speed interaction, typical regenerative braking and regenerative acceleration interaction on vehicle speed at 90 kW of generator output. Performance quantification: regen current, voltage and power. During regenerative braking, the generated output current, voltage and power drop off with time. During regenerative acceleration, the generated output current, voltage and power remain constant throughout. Anticipated innovation: EV performance enhancement, doubling EV range in 2011. In 2011, the regenerative acceleration innovation was able to return 56% of the motor's power consumption back to the EV's batteries in regenerative acceleration mode in its Hero electric scooter integration project, which essentially doubled the scooter's range. In 2011, 6 Regenx coils were employed which produced 1 amp each for a total of 6 amps of regenerative acceleration. 2020 and beyond projections for the regenerative acceleration innovation for 2020 and beyond include doubling EV range while reducing EV battery size by 50%. Commercially manufactured Regenx coils now produce 60 amps of regenerative acceleration per coil. Why should EV OEMs care? Current opportunity for EV automakers. EV automakers can now employ RegenX EV traction motors which produce virtually any magnitude of battery recharge current in regenerative acceleration mode, which can increase EV driving range while simultaneously reducing the EV's plug-in recharge requirements. The battery regen output of the Regenx generator is scalable and can be tailored specifically to the requirements of the desired EV application. A 100-coil Regenx EV traction motor can produce 6,000 amps of battery recharging, 96,000 watts, with vehicle acceleration beginning at just 30 km/h in regenerative acceleration mode, while a 20-coil unit can deliver 1,200 amps, 19,000 watts. What are the key areas of application? The Regenx generator's key application areas are in transportation and electric power generation. Motor action in a generator is responsible for EV regenerative braking and 80% of the cost of generating electricity. What are the advantages? Advantages for the transportation industry are electric vehicles which can recharge themselves as they drive with vehicle acceleration. Advantages for the electric power generation industry are electric generators which require 80% less mechanical input power per watt of electric power generated. Brief history of development of EV regenerative acceleration. Shortly after 9/11, Potential Difference decided to investigate if generator armature reaction, motor action in a generator, could be reduced by 10% in order to make electricity generation slightly more efficient. Generator armature reaction/motor action in a generator is a counter-electromagnetic torque which is created inside all electric generators when a load current flows in the generator coil. It is referred to colloquially as EV regenerative braking. Motor action in a generator. The prime mover is rotating the generator in a clockwise direction, and the fields set up by the induced currents in the armature windings attempt to drive the generator as a motor in a counterclockwise direction. This tendency to oppose the prime mover is called motor action in a generator. The higher the current in the armature windings, the stronger the motor action. EV regenerative braking is caused by motor action in a generator and is explained in a law of physics called Lenz's law, which is Newton's third law for electric generators, which states that, for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. The original idea was to physically divert the resistive induced magnetic B field out of the air gap from between the generator coil and the approaching magnetic field in order to reduce the effects associated with Lenz's law, aka Newton's third law for generators. 24 In 2007 it was discovered that generator armature reaction, parasitic, motor action in a generator could actually be reversed by introducing a load current delay into the generator coil's performance. If the load current induced in the generator coil could be delayed sufficiently in the time domain, it would also delay the production of the induced B field and in fact, reverse its effects. The normal resistive effects could be reversed in order to produce assistive rather than resistive motor action in a generator. Electric vehicles could now be accelerated rather than decelerated while recharging their batteries. Motor action in a generator is a counter-electromagnetic torque which performs negative work and works against the torque direction supplied by the prime mover. Motor action in a Regenx generator is a complementary electromagnetic torque which performs positive work and works in concert with the torque direction supplied by the prime mover. The innovation was called Regenx, which is short for Regen Extra. The backing theory for the Regenx generator coil was developed and performance validated countless times in the Power Lab at the University of Ottawa from 2007 to 2010.5, right after being initially validated at MIT. Who else has validated the regenerative acceleration performance? Concerns. The Regenx generator's performance have been independently performance validated multiple times by industry professionals and academia since the original discovery in 2007 by MIT, Ottawa University, Canadian National Research Council, Defence Research and Development Canada, Concordia University, Queen's University, McMaster University, Waterloo University, Quebec Institute Vehicle Innovation, Electric Mobility Canada, Siemens, California Diesel and Power, Electron Energy Corporation, GAL. Power Systems, Toroid Technologies, Ottawa Hydro, Ontario Hydro, Kinectrix Labs, Magna International, JLN Labs France, RETECH Engineering, Incorporated. Ottawa Valley Hydro, Canadian Hydro Components, Energy Power, Hero Electric, Lito Green Motion, Mahindra Electric, Next EV, EV World, Cross Chasm Technologies, Bionex, Canadian Solar, Plasco Energy, CATS Design, Stratford Managers Telops. The problem with early Regenx generator coils were that they could not produce any suitable electric output power, only system acceleration. Ongoing R&D efforts continued for the next 11 years, and in 2018 commercially manufactured Regenx generator coils were produced which could successfully deliver in excess of 60 amps, more than 1000 watts, of EV battery recharging power per coil with EV acceleration. Industry innovation concerns. Overview of the patent portfolio. Issued U.S. patents: 1. Generator and improved coil, therefore having electrodynamic properties. US 20140111054A1 patent status, issued https://patentsgoogle.com/patent/US 20140111054A1/EN abstract. The present invention relates to electrical generators and, in particular, to improvements to efficiency in electromechanical energy conversion in electrical generators and electric motors. 2. Bitoroid topology transformer US 21040253271A1 https://patentsgoogle.com/patent/US 20140253271A1/EN patent status, issued abstract. The present invention relates to electrical transformers and, in particular, to improvements to efficiency in energy conversion in electrical transformers. 3. The RegenX motor patent was granted in 2019. Technology commercialization business plan. Business plan: revenue generation potential differences. Business model revolves around licensing the Regenx generator and EV RegenX traction motor intellectual property to automakers and electric motor and generator manufacturers. Regenx generator and RegenX motor manufacturing tech transfer. Potential difference: has been working with the same coil and rotor suppliers for 10 years. Our tech transfer initiative includes introducing manufacturing licensees to our component suppliers who will supply magnetically matched and fully compatible Regenx generator coils and permanent magnet rotors directly. Manufacturers simply have to order the permanent magnet rotors and commercially wound Regenx generator coils directly from our suppliers and integrate them into their own motor or generator housing. Very little time is required for engineers to become acquainted with the new design, and there is no new tooling requirements, and design requirements are limited to the housing size and shape. From initial technology introduction, any company can have working Regenx generators at their facility ready for pre-retail testing within 6 months. Established Regenx generator and RegenX motor component supply partners: Toroid Technologies, Toronto, Canada. http://toroidtech.com. Atlas Transformers, Toronto, Canada. http://atlastransformer.com. Electron Energy Corporation, Pennsylvania, USA. https://www.electronenergy.com/. Proposed next steps: execution of a non-disclosure agreement. Live Regenx generator demonstration for Magna International. Introduction to pending JV partners in India, UK, Europe. Design and manufacture of prototype based on agreed specifications. Initial prototype testing. Market sizing and assessment. Test report and evaluation. Final RegenX motor production. Product delivery. Addendum: relevant video demonstrations. Expanded physics explanations. 2007-2018 regenerative acceleration tests and reports. What is generator armature reaction/motor action in a generator? EV regenerative braking, demonstration video. https://youtube/j1tzdzxq0. Reversing generator armature reaction/motor action in a generator, EV regenerative braking, with a load current delay demonstration video. https://youtube/pio8futdx68. A load current delay of 45 degrees is sufficient to reverse generator armature reaction, but a 90-degree delay can also be produced. Birth of electric vehicle regenerative acceleration. When current flows through a Regenx coil, the delayed load current produces beneficial motor action in the generator or a complementary electromagnetic torque which works in concert with the inertia of the EV and increases the kinetic energy of the EV, accelerates it, while recharging the EV's batteries. Electric vehicle regenerative acceleration integration demonstration video, https://youtube/3ryoxabx. Tests and Reports 2018 Independent Third-Party Testing Siemens Report, https://www.slideshare.net/pdcathena-heinz3240/final, 2018, Report, 4, Siemens, Regenx, Generator, Bitoroid, Transformer, Test, Data, and Systems, Efficiency 2017 University of Ontario Technical Institute Presentation, https://www.slideshare.net/pdcathena-heinz3240/University of Ontario Technical Institute Regenerative Acceleration 2016 EVS 29 Montreal Demonstration Report for Mahindra Riva and NEXT EV, https:// www.slideshare.net/pdiceo-regenerative-regenerative-regeneration-regeneration-regenerative-performance-test-data 2013 Hero Electric Integration Project, https://www.slideshare.net/pdiciathena-heinz3240/Hero Electric Regens Integration Project 11024, 1 2013 JLN Labs France Independent Report, https://www.slideshare.net/thanakian/Regenx, JLN, Labs, Independent, Report 1 2013 Patent Disclosure. https://www.slideshare.net/thanakian/pd, Regenerative, Acceleration, Generator, Regenx, 2013, Patent, Disclosure 2013 National Research Council of Canada, https://www.slideshare.net/thanakian/potential difference NRC Report Final 2012 Repower and Water Report, https://www.slideshare.net/thanakian/potential, difference, regenerative, acceleration, report, 10, April 12, CA, comments, 120501, MGA, 12, May 12. 2012 BMW RPORT, https://www.slideshare.net/thanakian/120607, BMW, Re, Gen, X, Experiment, Outbow, MG 2012 EV World Performance Review, https://www.slideshare.net/thanakian/Heinz Effect Gaining Credibility EV World 2010 Russian ACCADEMY of Science Computer Simulations, Russia, https://www.slideshare.net/thanakian/Russian, Academy, of, Science, Correspondence 1 2010 EV World, https://www.slideshare.net/thanakian/Mike, Brace, EV, World, article, July, 9, 2010, 8308236 2009 Magna International. Report, Ottawa University. https://www.slideshare.net/thanakian/potential difference Magna International Regenx Bit Presentation 2009 Magna International Independent Torque Testing Report, Ottawa University, https://www.slideshare.net/thanakian/Magna, International, September 20, th. 2009, Generator, Torque, Testing 2009 National Research Council of Canada Test Data, Ottawa University, https://www.slideshare.net/thanakian/Hardwick, National, Research, Council, December, 2009, Generator, Test 1, 3286846 2009 National Research Council of Canada Test Protocol, Ottawa University, https://www.slideshare.net/thanakian/Ottawa University NRC Regenx Test Setup 2007 Ontario Hydro KINECTRICS Labs Independent Test, Toronto Kinectrix Lab. https:// www.slideshare.net/Thanakian/Kinectrix, draft, report, with, over, 100, errors, K, 011. The conventional generator's load current induces a magnetic field, B induced, which produces a counter torque on the generator's rotor which works against the inertia of the EV and reduces its kinetic energy, decelerating the EV, while recharging the EV's batteries. Comparison between conventional generator coil and Regenx generator coil. Conventional generator coils resistive induced B field, Regenx generator coils assistive induced B field. Thane C. Hines, President and CEO, Potential Plus/Minus Difference Incorporated. Email 1, thane@potentialdifference.ca, cell, 613-898-1131, Potential Plus/Minus Difference Incorporated. Pioneering electric vehicle regenerative acceleration technology and charging ahead. Innovation distinguishes between a leader and a follower. Steve Jobs.